Good afternoon, NSU owners and enthusiasts. Welcome to my video. Today, Friday, 5th of November 2021. I'm going to try to rebuild my NSU QUICKLY 2-speed engine, and the idea is to record every step in order for me to put everything back as it was, and maybe this video will be helpful for other people. So the bike came with a seized engine, and here is the piston with the rings. And here we have the barrel, quite damaged. Okay, here is the magneto and points plate. Came off from here. I've been using these extractors from eBay. They are not very great. I managed to break the small one and they send it back to me, and I've been using the middle one. They're doing the job, but I ordered some proper pullers, so this week will be with me for the future work. And here on this side, I took the sprocket out from here, and here was this brake bit with two circlips, one down here and one here, just to secure the rudder lever. Okay, so I made this stand for the nuts 1 to 8. I'm going to count 1 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Okay, and then we'll be taking every part out and record and make pictures, so I'll know where to put it back. Also, when I'll finish my QUICKLY restoration, I will put a video with all the pictures. Hopefully it will be good for someone. So now I'm taking the bolts out and first case. Okay, all the bolts are out now, and I put them 1 to 8 here, and the case is quite stuck, as should be, so I'll have to use a hammer, but not the metal part, just to take apart first case, and my recommendation is not to hit the stand, because this can break very easy. What I'll try is just to go around, and I'll try from here. Not that this one is unbreakable. Perfect. So what I done, I managed to find the spot here, and apparently this dislocked a bit, and now is a bit of room for me I'll have to bring some oil collector. After about 15-20 minutes, I managed to take the first case out, and I've been using these tools. You have to be very gentle with, because it's aluminium. This bearing came out the case, and I'll take some pictures now. Now I have to take the clutch cap out. There is a circlip here. I'll push it down, and the clutch cap is coming out. Then I'll be using the decompressor to decompress the spring and take the clutch out. Okay, so once again, doesn't look bad. Okay. Okay, so the circlip came out for the clutch cap. So I'm putting this just to protect the case, the aluminum case, and I will need It's not easy to take it out, but I managed to move it like 3-4 millimeters. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll try to easy this. And this is coming up. Oops. So the clutch cap is out. Okay. And now I have to decompress the spring with this tool here. So I can take the spring, the clutch bearing, and this pinion out. Okay, so that's the decompressor tool, and I used bolt number 2 and bolt number 8 in my case. Yeah. And yes, now taking the tool off. So now that's the top of the spring with two little washers. Okay, spring and clutch bearing. Okay, now this pinion has to come off. And I think yeah, first of all I have to take out this bearing here. That's unexpected for this one to come out with the bearing, so I'm just going to take the bearing out and the pinion should come off easily. Okay, so I managed to move a little bit up the bearing with these two screwdrivers. So there is a bit of the room here, and I'm going to use this puller now to take the bearing out. And the bearing is out now, and the number is 6201 and goes in here. Okay, now this pinion is moving free. Okay, so as far as I read, should be, this will come out if I push downwards and spin. Also, there is a washer here on the top of the pinion. Okay, so okay, oh, and came off. So I push downwards and spin like this, yeah. Okay, nice. That's the pinion. It's looking well. Okay, now I'm taking the clutch top out. So also I have 1, 2 plates in here. And the third one is in here. Okay. So there is a little circlip here. I'm going to clean this for you. To see properly. Okay. So the circlip is here and has to come out. Okay, let's see. Circlip is coming out now. Finally. And clutch seat has to come out. Okay, so I'm coming back after 1 hour. This clutch seat here, another hard work to come out. So I had to use the eBay pullers I just put 2 arms on the side, and I put the top nut on the axle, so I won't damage it. I won't damage the thread. These axles can be very easy damaged, and they are not very cheap to buy. So with 2 arms here and with pressure from this side here, I managed to bring it up, but as I said, it took me 1 hour, and once it's out, the second case can be removed by taking this bolt out from here. Okay, so clutch seat came out. Also, I undo the bolt from here, who keep together the second and the third case, and I could find this aluminum pieces inside the case. I can't wait to see where this from, and I'm trying to open the second case from the third one. Okay. Okay, so here is to open, and here is closed. So Okay, so the second case is coming off now. Apparently the first inspection is looking good. Okay. And here we have the gearbox. So this is the aerial view. I don't know all the names, but the pinions and the thread are looking quite okay. I'll try now to take the gearbox parts out. Okay, so here is a pinion with a heavy washer on the top. Should be another one in here, and this pedal crank came out. Okay, so here there is some damage. And can be this part broken here, I'm thinking, but we'll have a better view and everything will be clean. So for this to come off, I'll have to take this circlip here off. So, and I will take the pinions out. Okay, so I remove the circlip from here, and now this pinion should come off. Okay. Now I have to take the crankshaft off, and I'm going to put it here on a wood. And it is not coming off that easily, so I have to do some adjustments here to suspend it. And the crankshaft is off, and we have the third case ready to clean. So this was my kitchen workshop from today, remember, 5th of November 2021. All the parts has been dismantled. And we'll come back with a video for the reassembly of the NSU QUICKLY engine. Thank you for watching.